What you got there, Bailey?
I found a treasure of new books, and they were just calling my name, so I had to start digging in.
Ooh,
I'm having some trouble, though. Do you think you could help me out? Thank you.
All right.
Oh.
Oh, that looks steamy.
Yeah, it does. Definitely not going in the kids' room.
What's wrong with a pet dinosaur?
There are lots of things wrong with the pet dinosaur. This one looks good. Katie has 2 grandpas.
Normal family. On Truth, Love, and How I Met My 35 Siblings. This is a memoir. It was a patron request.
35 siblings.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't wait to hear about that.
The Forest Girls with the World Away. The Forest Girls with the World Always. Now, I was really drawn to this book because of the illustrations, and also summer is almost over, and this is going to be the perfect picture book to read in the fall. Yes. I Love You Through Winter, Spring, Summer, and Fall. A great book about learning about the different seasons. Let's see. Ooh, Cake Mix. Great book for learning all the ingredients for baking. And this one, Ping Meets Pang, a story of otherness, differences, and friendships. And how important is that in today's world? Oh, look at the cute little panda.
This one was an award-winning mystery.
Lily Mae and the Ruby Shoe Blues. And I really think this girl's hair is cute. Look at her cute little curls.
And some of our manga books went missing, so we had to get replacements.
Here we have some more picture books. Oh, and here we have Why a Daughter Needs a Dad. And I believe there's another book that just came in, Why a Son Needs a Dad. So there are a few different books just like this. And another picture book.
There's the popular Jenny Han series that just got made into a movie. We actually only had, I think, the first one in the series, and we were missing the other 2.
Oh my gosh! Is there a wait list for this book?
I don't know, I haven't checked yet. I mean, not that I know of yet.
Well, if not, Miss Bailey might have to snatch it.
Okay.
But of course, if there is a list, I will gladly put myself on it. Let's see.
A couple more for you.
Oh, yes. The Heroes of Olympus, The Sons of Neptune. This is the second book in the series. Brave Buddy, of course. And this looks like it's an award-winning book, a finalist for the Indie Book Awards. And honestly, this cat looks just like my cat at home. We have another picture book, Roly Poly and the Light. All right, we're unboxing our second treasure of new books. Ow! 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 She cut my finger off!
You're such a drama queen. Drama.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, suck it up.
Okay, you're right. Aha! Popular Pokemon. So I ordered this book because we've had a very popular Pokemon club for kids and teens. I believe this is just part of the series Pokemon, but I would like to see more books on how to do the actual Pokemon game, but this is just one of the books in the series.
That's yours.
There's upside down. Coming up Cuban juvenile fiction. Furnace and Mott, another juvenile fiction book.
Looks like Fenris.
Ah, you're right, I'm just blind. Fenris and Mott. Excuse me.
Here we have the new Catherine Coulter.
We have very popular Agent Moose, Operation Owl.
And we have the untold story of the 6 women who programmed the world's first modern computer.
And this is Aliana, Girl of Dragons.
Something for our historical fiction fans.
This is something for the easy reader section and for those who love dogs, or specifically the beloved Biscuit. He's so cute. This will be perfect for the fall. Another great fall read. Sorry.
Another new mystery / thriller that this one takes place partly in the Navajo Nation. Okay, one of the Colleen Hoover. Colleen Hoover has been huge lately, as some of you know, so we're trying to get as many of her books as we can, even the older ones.
And this is Leo and Leah, a story about friendship. Lots of books about friendship. That's very important.
Another book for our nonfiction collection.
For our board book lovers and Peppa Pig lovers, George Goes to the Potty. This will be great for any parents who are trying to encourage their little ones to start learning how to use the restroom, or just learning how to use the potty.
I support that.
Yeah, me too. 100%. And this is for our juvenile nonfiction. Amazing landmarks all over the world. So on the cover you can see Statue of Liberty, the opera in Australia. I know there's a name for it, but I can't think of it. What else? Yep, lots of cool landmarks in here.
The Sydney Opera House?
Is that literally what it's called?
I think it's just called the Sydney Opera House.
The Sydney Opera House.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention, or I could have helped you quicker. What?
Another picture book. I just really think the cover is funny.
Oh boy.
Any brothers probably can relate to this photo or to this cover. More picture books. Baby shower. Oh my goodness. Just a story about babies raining literally everywhere. And I am so excited because I'm going to be having a baby soon. So this just gets me even more excited. I love babies. Okay. Oh, this is an award-winning book. The Schneider Family Book Awards. It's called My City Speaks.
And for those of you that don't know, the Schneider Family Award is about books that best exemplify or depict the disability experience.
Well, Miss Gina and I have some work to do to sort through all these books. Here, come back, Miss Gina. We have a lot of work to do to sort through all these books and get them into the catalog for our patrons to enjoy.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and I feel like we should have said this at the beginning for those of you that don't know, but I am Miss Gina and I catalog the adult and teen books.
And I'm Miss Bailey and I catalog the children's books.
Alright, so we're going to be getting to work on that, and these should be on the shelves for you to check out within the next week or so. Alright, bye.